Tonight, the Air Max 1 celebrates 32 years as a certified classic. Plus, we take a look at how this OG paved the way for all your favorite sneakers. The year is 1987. The Simpsons will soon make their television debut. Club Nouveau's cover of Lean On Me absolutely slaps. And communism is still a thing. But on March 26, Nike will forever change the game with the release of the now legendary Air Max 1. Allow me to keep it real. Not only is this shoe a quadruple platinum certified classic, your favorite sneaker's favorite sneaker wouldn't even exist without these shoes. On God. Jordan 3s? No chance. Air Trainers? Bo knows what. Air Mags? Sorry, Marty. That's because this shoe came straight from the industry's own Michelangelo. One name, two words, Tinker Hatfield. A former corporate architect with no footwear design experience to speak of, Tinker came along and decided to make Nike's Air technology bigger and put it on full display. A design choice he later admitted almost got him fired. Thankfully for all us OGs, his vision eventually won Nike over, and the shoe's famous Revolution ad, featuring the Beatles' anthem, only added to their iconic status. Needless to say, if you don't have these shoes in your rotation, you need to fix that shit immediately. This has been your boy Yungwolf Blitzer, reporting live from StockX World Headquarters. Until my next heat check, stay laced.